Hi, Thomas. I'm about to look at your work for the first time. Okay. So you're waiting on the voiceover. Typically, people get the voiceovers before they start an animation. And oh, look at that. It's wonderful. Would you tell the class how you kept this so perfectly? Is that a composition on top of the composition? I think it looks wonderful. Uh, yeah, so get the voiceover as soon as possible. It'll really tie everything together. Also, this type looks like it's stretched compared to the other slab serif throughout. So hold down the shift key when scaling so that doesn't happen. But really great, this card just looks so good. You did a wonderful job with that. So again, please explain to everybody how you did that. It's really uh, wonderful. All right, so hold down the shift key when scaling. Get the sound in there as soon as possible. You got a nice piece for your portfolio.